Hi guys, I'm Morella and welcome to my kitchen. This week we're making plantain boats filled with grilled veggies and a gooey melted crispy cheese on top. This is such a delicious recipe. It's completely gluten-free, it's vegan, you can prepare it in advance the day before and bake it whenever you need it. And it's a great recipe as a starter or as a side dish as well. And if you've never cooked with plantain before, I really encourage you to do so. It's an amazing vegetable slash fruit. Cook it green for a savory flavor or yellow for a sweet flavor. And I've just made a playlist called the Plantain series where I've added all the recipes that I have using plantains, so you can go and check it out and give it a go and cook it with this really delicious ingredient, traditional in Venezuelan cooking. So let's jump onto the recipe. But before, if cooking is your thing, then subscribe to the channel because there's tons of recipes from dinners, lunch, finger food, desserts. There's tons, 100+ recipes to choose from. So let's jump onto the recipe.